Now 8th, when you see the train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less. For the same journey, you have to find the speed of the train. So जो find करना है वो आप assume कर लेते हो. Let the speed of the train be x kilometers per hour. The given distance was as 360 kilometers. So we know that formula distance upon speed gives us time. Therefore, the time taken will be, this was our distance, this is the speed assumed, इतना hours. अब नेक्स्ट में क्या कर रहा है, स्पीड बढ़ जा रही है बाय 5 मीन्स x प्लस 5 हो जा रही है. तो न्यू टाइम कितना हो जाएगा, distance is remaining the same upon new speed. This will give you the new time, and the time difference was given to you as 1 hour. Okay, naturally when the speed is increased, the time is less. Okay, so it will be the bigger time minus the smaller time is given to you as 1. Okay, so 360 upon x minus 360 upon x plus 5. अदरवाइज भी मैंने बताया कि जब डिनोमिनेटर जितना बड़ा होता है, न्यूमरेटर बीइंग द सेम, फ्रैक्शन उतना छोटा होता है. तो बिगर माइनस द स्मॉलर. Okay, then I've taken this 360 common from here. These type of questions we've dealt with earlier also, equations. Okay, 360 taken common, you'll take LCM, तो ये बन जाएगा आपका x plus 5 minus of x. So plus x minus x cancel हो जा रहा है, you're left with only 5 into 360. Then ये multiply हो गया अंदर, x square plus 5x cross multiply हो गया x square plus 5x. Get all to the same side, x square plus 5x minus 1800. Factors of 1800 now. 2 into ये आपका 18 के हो गया, 3 3 9 2 18, and 100 is again 10 into 10. So out of these many, which combination will get you 40? Will get you 5. Those will be 45 and 40. So we will split this as x square plus 45x minus 40x and minus 1800. Again, from here only x is common. From both of these 40 will be common. So your two answers will be negative 1 again rejected. Speed cannot be negative, and from here we are getting speed as 40 kilometers per. Now for the 9th one, 2 water taps together can fill in 9 3/8 hours. One tap, the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately, one by one if we are filling. Okay, you have to find the time taken by each tap separately. So we'll start with the smaller diameter, क्योंकि बड़े का उसकी रेफरेंस में हमें बताया गया है. So let the time taken by the smaller diameter tap be x hours. Then the larger diameter will take few time. बड़ा diameter का तो जल्दी पानी निकलेगा, less time लगेगा, x minus 10 hours. Okay, and if they were working together, then the time given to you was 9 3/8 changed to improper, that is 75/8 hours. Now time and work equivalence, reciprocal. You've done questions earlier also. वहाँ एक men वाला question पहले आया है, men working, women working, time taken. So we know that work is reciprocal of time, time is reciprocal of work, vice versa. Okay, तो हम क्या कर ले रहे हैं, अगर इसको x hours लग रहे थे तो इसका 1 hour work कितना हो जाएगा, 1 upon x, and इसका 1 hour work कितना हो जाएगा, 1 upon x minus 10. Working together means we'll add their jobs. Will be, अगर टोटल टाइम इतना लगा है तो 1 घंटे में कितना भरा होगा, in 1 hour will be the reciprocal of this, that is 8 upon 75. Okay, so 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10 is equal to 8 upon 75. Then यहाँ आप LCM लेते हो again, तो x into x minus 10 cross multiplying x minus 10 plus x, फिर is equal to 8 upon 75. Next go x plus x becomes 2x minus 10 in numerator, and ये 75 यहाँ के cross multiply हो जाएगा. इस 8 के साथ ये x into x is x square minus 10x. Multiply this 8 inside with both, so 8x square, 8 tens are 80. This 75 also, 2's is 150, and taking all the terms to one side, that is your equation. Now factors of 750 to give you 230. Okay, I think I have not shown you out here, but I think by now you all should know. Okay, find इसके factors, बाकी अलग अलग combination से देखना. So 230 हमें 230 के combination से मिल रहा है. Okay, 1 2 3 zeros, 3 2s are 6000 बन रहा है product. So 0 5 8s are 40, 7 8s are 56 plus 4, 6000 यहाँ भी बन रहा है. Okay, so from here 8x comes common, from here minus 30 comes common. Your two answers are 25 and 30 upon 8, cancelling 15 upon 4, which is 3/4. ये आंसर आपका पॉसिबल नहीं है, क्योंकि हमने क्या कहा था कि जो लार्जर टैप है वो 10 आवर्स लेस ले रहा है. तो अगर यही 3 आवर्स ले रहा है तो वो 10 आवर्स लेस कैसे लेगा? वी कैन नॉट माइनस फ्रॉम हियर 10. नेगेटिव आंसर आ जाएगा. ओके, तो दिस आंसर हैज टू बी रिजेक्टेड. हेंस वील से time taken by the smaller tap is 25 hours, then the tap with the greater diameter will take 25 minus 10, 15 hours. Okay, now 10th question, children. An express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel 132 kilometers between leave the stations. If the average speed of express train is 11 more than the passenger train, you have to find the speed of both the trains. Okay, so earlier जैसा question है, I've just framed the equation, rest you will do. Here, let the average speed of passenger train be x kilometers per hour. फिर उसने बोला था express train takes 11 more, तो उसकी x plus 11 हो जाएगी speed. Okay, distance to be covered is 132 kilometers. Then time is again distance upon speed as earlier. So this was the distance upon speed of passengers. So time taken by passenger train, time taken by express train, distance upon speed, and the time difference was again 1 hour. Okay, so as I said, bigger time minus the smaller time, bigger the fraction the smaller the time, or otherwise you can understand speed बढ़ी तो ये time कम होगा. The more the speed, the less the time taken. Okay, and अब इसके आगे ऐसा ही इक्वेशन अभी हमने ऊपर करा है, अब आप खुद करोगे इसे. Take LCM here, take 132 common, cross multiplying, get your quadratic equation and solve it. Okay, because calculation copy करके आपको कोई फायदा नहीं है. That you have to learn yourself. Okay, now the last one is sum of the area of two squares is 468 and the difference of their perimeter is 24. You have to find the sides of the two squares. So इसमें भी थोड़ा square था, तो I've taken two variables here as well. Let the sides of the two squares be x and y. Then area की बात कर रहा था वो, तो area is side square, तो x square plus y square is ये. Sum of the areas, area of the first square, area of the second square, if we are saying these are the sides, होगा. That would be your first equation. Then perimeter is 4 times side, तो perimeter क्या बनेगा? 4x minus 4y, which is given to you. The difference of the perimeter is 24. So sum of the areas was this much, difference of the perimeter was this much. So I had assumed the side of the two squares, but of course ये square form है तो quadratic आएगा ही आएगा, so we'll have to remove. Okay, this I've simplified, cancelling by 4. Okay, छोटा कर लो equation जितना हो सकता है, तो dividing by 4, x minus y is equal to 4 6 is 24. भी यहाँ से इसको इधर ले गए तो x becomes 6 plus y. अब ये 6 plus y, x की वैल्यू आप इस इक्वेशन में रख दोगे, so that you get the whole equation in one variable. Okay, so I have put that x is 6 plus y. आप y की भी वैल्यू रख सकते हो. You could have replaced y as x minus 6. माइनस में और कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक होती है, इसलिए मैंने x की रिप्लेस कर लिया. Okay, you can replace y also, no problem. So ये आएगा. अभी रिमेनिंग इक्वेशन आप खुद सॉल्व करोगे. इसे a plus b होल स्क्वायर से ओपन करोगे, क्वाड्रेटिक बनाओगे, you'll factorize it and see which answer is to be acceptable and which answer is not acceptable. Okay, ये last two question के calculations you'll do yourself, children.